Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hiding in the back somewhere. Is he
in the cooler?
Yeah, he's probably in the cooler.
Yeah. Oh, what about the woman's bathroom?
Yeah, my boy said he saw it today too.
I heard something back there. Well, the woman's bathroom is right above.
Nobody's likely. Back out here. So what do we have here?
So he was last seen going back here. There's another entrance, a set of stairs. They think that he either went upstairs to the bathroom, but the employee just came down and said, "There's someone in the cooler. He's in the cooler." Oh shit! Hey, sit down! Get on the ground! Get down on the ground!
Get down! Keep your hands up!
Keep your hands up!
Do not reach for it!
Jump down.
If you reach for anything, you will be shot with a less lethal.
Calm down. Calm down.
Who else is here? LAPD. LAPD, brother. Who else is here? Yes, we have.
Shit. Keep
Relax,
your
brother.
hands up.
Relax, brother. Don't scared, brother. It's all right. We're going to help you. We're here to help you, all right?
Here?
We're here to help you, brother, okay?
You have a jurisdiction here. What's up for now, PD? You're it now. You're fucking fake as fuck.
Get down! Hey, come on! You gotta get down!
Hands up!
You gotta get down! Get down! Get down!
Hey, brother, just relax.
Just relax.
Jose Fernando.
Come on, man. Come here.
Relax,
Relax, brother. Relax.
Fuck you. Jose Fernando.
Come on, get out, man. We're gonna figure this out together. Come on.
Yeah, big ass fool.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on. Just stop. Come down. Read the police over. Come on. Get down.
Fuck you. Three strikes, brother.
Yeah, me espera la verga, güey.
Come on, man.
Don't shoot from up there.
LAPD.
Come on.
I'm biting.
We're here to help you, brother.
I am biting.
We're right here to help you.
So that fucking pull it out right now and blast me and all
No,
that.
don't do that, man.
Why do you want to do that, man?
Well, I don't know. There's three cops, homie. There's three fucking cops.
All right.
Yeah.
How many years?
How many years?
Yeah, how many years?
23.
23?
Yeah.
What year you start?
It's been a while, brother. It's been a
What year
while.
did you start? Oh, you can't remember, huh? Yeah, you're full of shit, dog. Fuck.
Come on, man.
Nah. You guys are gonna fucking end up killing me.
We're not gonna. You just come down and talk to us.
I'd rather fucking hit the shootout right here with all cameras can see. You fake ass fool.
Come on, man. Just come down and talk to us.
Here.
Come on, brother. It's
Call
all
San Fernando.
right.
I ain't coming down on this fucking call San Fernando Police Department. LAPD here? You have a fucking jurisdiction here? You got me fucked up. Fuck this shit. Fuck it, I was ready to write the date anyway. What's up, homie?
Come on, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. Come on, just come down and talk to us.
Come on, you don't do it, dog. You get in trouble, homie.
Relax, brother. Relax.
The fuck?
We're just here to work it out, man.
We'll come down here and we'll get it for you, all right? All this will go away, all right? All this will be over. Hey, what's your?
That's gonna be over. That's my favorite.
It's gonna be in your favor. Nothing's gonna happen. He's coming down.
Fuck you, right now.
What? There's a bird.
Will, come here. He ran in there. Watch your back.
Okay, he's gonna have eyes on us, guys. Partner, where are you at?
Watch your back. Watch your back. Watch the glass right here. I don't know where
Yeah,
you're
I'm gonna go over here.
Outside with you?
Yeah.
Cover. Behind you.
He went in here. You know what?
He went inside.
This has to be barricaded shit.
We don't know where he went back there.
I saw he went this way, so I don't know where. We're just gonna have to hold it here. You guys hold it here.
This incident was also captured on the store's surveillance camera. As officers were preparing to search the back of the store, a 911 call from a nearby gas station was broadcasted.
Yeah, I need a San Fernando Police Department on Devonshire and Balboa at the MPM now. The place is getting robbed.
You need San Fernando Police Department?
Yes.
Okay, let me transfer you there. Hold on.
Okay. Yeah, Devonshire and Balboa.
Well, that's not San Fernando, sir.
LAPD?
Yeah.
Okay. So bring it over here.
Are you okay? Do you need a paramedic, sir?
Yes, just bring it over here now.
Okay, what's the name of your business?
It's AMPM.
AMPM? Okay, the
Yes.
person that's there, is it a man or a woman?
It's a man.
Is he white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
Does it matter? The fuck?
Is he white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's fucking Asian. Who gives
Okay,
a
what
shit?
color? The officers need to know who to look for, sir. What color shirt and pants is he wearing?
You're bullshitting me. All right, you know what? There's a robbery going on over here.
What color shirt and pants is he wearing, sir?
If I have to shoot one of you motherfuckers again, I'm gonna do so.
Sir,
Trust me.
are you playing on the telephone?
Huh?
Are you
I don't
playing
know.
on the telephone?
I don't know. You tell me.
Okay, I'm hanging up. Goodbye.
Officers responded to the gas station and immediately set up containment. After several minutes of negotiation, the suspect surrendered and was taken into custody without further incident.
We got it.
You're gonna give him direction, okay? Okay, one. We got direction now here now.
Hey, lay all the way down!
Okay, let's move. Move forward, bring the car up.
Hey, look to your left, bud. Look to your left. No, just stay there. Look to your left. Put your head to the left. To the left. Other side. Other way. Look to the other way. Look the other way. Just like that. Do not move, okay?
Okay, let's move up.
Don't move, right?
I'm not resisting. I'm not. Okay. I'm not. Oh.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, that's,
Okay.
I got it.
I'm not resisting. I have the weapon.
All right, you're okay.
No, I'm not.
All right. You're gonna spin up on your butt, okay?
Yeah, no.
1, 2, 3, up. Stand up.
Here's surveillance footage from inside the gas station.